So we're on our way to Montana, and we are talking about something that is constantly a discussion for us this is not even Polk County, actually. This is Osceola County. They have a beautiful highway. This is 538. It's nice, but we're always like, why don't you just prepare to build the 3 lanes? Like, just expect that it's gonna be a lot of people down here. You're building communities right and left, so just build the infrastructure from now instead of having to call back your peoples and be like, oh, we need to build another lane. Just do your 3 lanes, 4 lanes.
It seems to happen too often. This is not something exclusive to this county,
it's
right?
Central Florida, South Florida.
And I've heard about it in other states as well.
Yes.
They have the intention to develop an area. They build a road, and they even leave space for themselves to expand the road.
Yeah.
But you know that you're planning to put subdivision and plazas and all of this all down the road. Why do you wait until the area gets populated to then go back and then make the road and inconvenience all the people that you put in the area?
That's a way for people to move in. Then you're like, oh, we got to close down the roadway.
No, then we got to do a study to make sure that we need the road.
Yes. We have to
irritating everybody. And then after the years of litigation and going through all the policies and all the stuff you had to get, then they finally shut down the road when everybody already lives in the area, when you knew the intention was to develop the area.
This is like a real thing. So if you are anywhere close to Davenport, you know Old Lake Wilson Road. That is a major artery into Davenport. But before they can expand the area that goes over the I-4, they said they needed to do a study. And it was a 3-year study. So I'm like, did you really need to do a study when you can look at the traffic day in, day out? If you were staying at Reunion or any of the timeshares in Davenport, you know that road and you know it's going to be full of traffic at 4 o'clock. You should have thought about that when you were giving all of these developers.
Somebody makes money off this,
you know,
because they can't be this incompetent. But it just doesn't make sense why you refuse to put the infrastructure. Your goal is the development.
If you are in the know, please comment below and tell us why they continue to do this. Like, I don't know if it's the county or whichever municipality that coordinates this whole transportation. I don't know if it's even the state itself, but we need to do better to the community because it's stressful dealing with this traffic. We're building, so there's more people in your community. So when you're building, how about we do the infrastructure at the same time?